time we went.
Oh.
Oh, I think all my dust has come off my knife. And I haven't cut the notch in deep enough anyway. Keep it running though, Jake. Because that's human. Actually, stop it a sec. I'd be tired if it was raining, I'd be well screwed. But then again, I'd use the can of petrol that's in my rucksack. I've got a lighter in my pocket.
Actually, sure you have an ember.
Yeah, there is. But what I can't do is be
Over ambitious.
over ambitious and silly like I was. Get out of it.
Bloody flies.
See the importance of keeping your previous dust as well. But you can't blow it because obviously it'll just
Go everywhere.
just blow it. It'll go everywhere. Yeah, it's not. It hasn't got that. There we go. Oh.
Smells like gone off curry.
Gone off curry.
Yeah.
Oh. That's a new one. Smells like gone off curry. Oh mate, fucking hell, you're going to do me charcoal in there to eat me little ember. We'll be having a fight. Me and you'd be having words, boy.
I think you're getting too over ambitious with your charcoal.
Is that what it is?
I think so.
I reckon my fists are going to fly in a minute at you, sunshine.
Don't touch me.
There we go.
I'm getting somewhere. I bet I wouldn't even get this far in an hour if I tried the bow drill.
Yeah, mate. Don't worry about it. It's just practice. Got to keep at it. Look at me, up 3 times and I've still not got it going yet. I've got an ember, but I'm relying on charcoal as well. Only because I haven't got a decent bundle, a brass bundle to put it in.
And it's not very good chocolate fever.
Yeah. Huzzah!
We're getting somewhere.
You'll be getting breakfast after all.
Got a big boy fire.
Well,
Not yet.
yeah. We don't want it big boy, do we? Because we've got to cook breakfast on it.
Sure. 10 and what you might think perfect. Cooking all 4?
No, just 3 at a time I'll do.
Why?
That's it, no worries, but you've got a slight... It's only there's no notch in there, but...
That's very stiff.
Mm. There you go, getting friction. Keep going, try and use the full length of the bow, yeah? That's it, mate, well done. Have you created an ember? I think you've got nothing to catch on, have you? Even if you have, you've just got it straight onto the ground. So let's pick that up. No, it's collected inside, if anything, isn't it? So
Vladimir, the sun.
Count Dracula. You've got that down to a T, don't you? Take it out of the fire, put your stick in it, and then allow it to cool down, because obviously you want to starve it of oxygen because you've heated it up so much. If you left that stick out of there, what would happen is the oxygen would get inside it and it would carry on burning the char cloth. And then yeah, take it all down and just start from one end and stuff it in the bag. Yeah, just leave it all on there. You have to just unclip it, unclip the buckle, and then just from one end just feed it into the bag and stuff it in there.
Can it go in?
Yeah, of course it will. Push it down on the floor if you want, get all the air out of it, have it nice and small. And then just roll it up. Alright, don't unclip, leave it unclipped. I do, and then just... No, you ain't got to ravel it round, just bend it round. That's it. No, you haven't got to worry about putting it on the bottom of the bag. No, 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 no. No, it doesn't go through there. And then just like that. That's it. That's it. There you go. Job dodged. So now the charcoal is nice and the tin's nice and cold. Take the stick out, then unscrew the lid. Yeah, and then what you're left with is your char cloth. And then obviously what you can do with that is instead you can put mushrooms in there. Anything with an organic material will work, even like punk wood, you know, the wood where it just starts to rot, that's pretty good as well, and it will take a spark from a ferro rod. I mean, obviously that takes from a flint and steel, but
Mm-hmm.